Today in this session, we are going to learn about what are the font tags and the marquee tag, setting the background color of the web page, and what is the list elements and how to insert an image in the web page. All these things we are going to learn. Let's begin with the font element. What is this font element? You all are very much aware about all these things, right? Because in Word, PowerPoint and all, you know what is a font. Font is a style or a size or a color of the text, right? Okay, here also in the web page, if you want to change any size of the text or the color of the text as well as the style, means we have different font style. Example, Times New Roman, Arial, Lucida handwriting, like this, right? So how to change all these things using HTML tags in the web page? All these things we are going to learn in the font element. It has got three attributes. This font tag has got three attributes, that is size, color and face. Size is nothing but just to specify the size of the text. Then color, you all know, to change the color of the text, and face is the style of the text. Okay, so this font attributes will be written within the font tag. Okay, like for example, font size or font color and font face. The value for these things will be size and color and the style of the fonts. Okay, and whatever you people are writing within the font tag, the text, until you close the font tag, that formatting will be applied to all the text whatever is written in between the font starting tag as well as the end tag. Let us see how exactly it works. You can see in the screen, a font size attribute specify the font size either as a number or as a relative value. See, in this normal values we have from here, we have 1 to 7. The default font size is 3. Like for example, the normal text whatever you people will see on the web page, usually that will be a font size of 3. So we have from 1 to 7. In the example, you can see that I have written a command, a text called welcome. For each welcome, I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this, all the font sizes, just to check if we give one, what size of the text we get, and if you give two, what size of the text we get, like that. Okay, so let us see practically how it looks. I have already written the same thing in Notepad and I have kept. We shall just see how exactly it is going to work when I write in it a notepad. You can see here in the notepad, I have just copy pasted the same, whatever I have shown you in the example. Okay, so, and I have saved it. Now, let me see what will be the output in the browser. Okay, you can see after each font size, I have used BR, that is a break tag here, just to make sure that each welcome should come in different separate lines. I'll just save this notepad by pressing Ctrl S because I have already saved it by giving one name. Then I'll go to the browser. Okay, after saving, we have to refresh the browser. You all know that we have learned this in the previous lesson. I'll just press F5 to refresh. Once if I press F5 after saving this, then you can see the welcome is displayed on the web browser. Now you can see the first one is very small, that is of font size 1. The second one, font size 2, font size 3. You can see that whatever you are seeing font size 3, that is the normal text which will be used to display in the web page, and the other text depending upon the requirement we are going to use. So totally we have total font size of from 1 to 7. Whichever is required, that can be used. I think this is very much clear for you all. So we are going to move for the presentation. Next is font color. What this color will do? Obviously you all know it will change the color of the text. So font color attribute is used to assign the different colors for the text in a web page. So syntax you can see here, font color. Okay, color is an attribute to which the value we are going to give is color name. Like for example, yellow, blue, black, whatever you want to give, that color name you can give here. And you are going to end the tag with /font. And in between whatever the text you are going to write, that will be displayed in the same color. Okay, so now you can see I have, in the example I have shown, I have written computer technology with font color is red. Okay, this also we shall just try using the web page. I will just go to the next line. Here I will just write font color is equal to, within the double quotes I will write red, and then come out of it and I will write computer technology. Okay, now I will just close it with forward font slash, and I'll just add BR for the next content. I'll just save it by pressing Ctrl F5 and then go to the web browser. Just press F5. You can see computer technology is printed in the red color. Now, if you can see here, instead of red, if I write here blue and save this, come back to the browser, just refresh, you can see now the blue color. So whatever the color you people are going to assign here, that color will be applied to the text which is written in between the color tag. Is that clear, students? Okay, come on, let us move for the next thing. We will go to the presentation to learn the next thing. That is what we were learning. We were learning about the font color. Now next is font face. This is used to change the style of the letters. Okay, font face is used to change the style of the letter. In the example you can see how I have written font face is equal to Lucida handwriting. Then I have written font type applied, that is the text I have written, and then I am going to close this. Okay, same thing you can see in the example output screen, font type applied has been displayed using the Lucida handwriting. Let us see how exactly it works using practically how it will be seen. I'll just go to the notepad, go to the next line. I will just use the font tag, font face is equal to Lucida handwriting. I have written, and then here what I will display, HTML tags are very easy to learn and we can easily create the web page using these tags. I want to display this information using Lucida handwriting. Just let me close this by closing font tag, and I will just save this by pressing Ctrl S, and then I'll come back to my web browser just to see the output, how exactly it will be displayed. I'll just press F5 key. You can see HTML tags are very easy to learn and we can easily create the web pages using these tags. This information is being displayed using the Lucida handwriting font. Is that clear? Okay, I'll just repeat once again. Font tag has three attributes, that is size, color and face. Size, you all know to give the size of the text, and the color to change the color of the text, and face is used to assign the style, that is a which font style that will be applied using the face tag. I hope it is clear for you all. Let's go to the presentation. Let us go to the presentation back. to learn next thing. Next is MARQ tag. What is this MARQ tag? You might have seen sometime when you open some result or some government websites, some text will be scrolling from top, from left corner to right corner to left corner. It will reach, come back like this, right? Now, that how to be created. Let us see how to create that. Okay, so you can see the syntax. There is a tag called marquee, 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 and / marquee should be ended to end the marquee tag. Okay, then here attribute name and attribute value. See, attribute name, what all the attributes you have, you can see in the table I have given. We can give width, height, direction, background color, as well as the behavior. What will happen all these things? Direction, when you see, it specify the direction in which the marquee should scroll, means how it should move, whether it should move from up to down or down to up or left to right or right to left. And then what is this behavior? Behavior scroll means it will be scrolling all over the web page. Slide means it will just reach, come back, like that, alternate. Like this, we have 3 values. We will just give something and we will see how exactly it works. Let us go to our notepad. I'll just use the BR tag to come to the next line, and I will use one more BR tag to leave one more line gap, and here I will use marquee tab, marquee, marquee. Then I will write here behavior, behavior, behavior is equal to, here I will write scroll. Okay, and then here I will write Sri Chaitanya Techno School. What I will write? NTSC results. Okay, this I want to scroll to highlight that it is a important news for the day. Okay, so I will end this with marquee tag. QUEE, marquee. Okay, I'll just save this. Then go to the web browser and just refresh the page. When you refresh, you can see Sri Chaitanya Techno School NTSC results. It is starting from the right side. See, it's growing. And again, when it ends from here, you can see it is again starting from the right side. Okay. Now, when you want to change this, instead of scroll, you just give alternate, ALTERNATE. Now let us see what will happen. I just saved it. I'll press F5. Now see, it is coming from there. Again it is moving back. See, it is reaching, coming back, reaching, coming back, like this. Depending upon our requirement, how we want to display, we will give the value here. In the same way, BG color also we will give, and then we will give the width and height also. All these things, depending upon our requirement, we are going to specify what we want to do. I think it is very clear for all of you. Okay, so let us see what will happen when I give direction. Okay, just we will see that one and we will go for the next thing. Okay, behavior is equal to alternate, and then here what I will do, direction is equal to, now what is happening, right to left it is going, no, now I will just write left. I'll just save this. Let us see what will happen. Just it is moving to the left side. It is starting from right to left. And if I say right, what will happen? Let us see. Now I'll just see. You can see that it is moving towards right from the left side. So whatever the value I'm giving, depending on that direction, it is moving. I hope till here everything is very, very clear for all of you. Okay.